Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft Jenny. In this video, I'm going to make this easy greeting card design. Here we need a plastic sheet like this, and then we can add the colors like this. For the next step, there are two methods. In first method, we need to spray some water to the plastic sheet like this, and then we can press the white color card like this and let it dry. In the second method, we can apply the colors as in the previous case. Here we can add water to the white color card like this. Then press the white color card as in the previous method and let it dry. Finally, we can arrange the cards as we prefer. We can draw any design as we like and add colors. Hope you enjoyed our video. Give a like, comment and share with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos like this.